Hello, my name is Steve Ansell. I'm from Mayo Clinic, and I'm just going to give you a little bit of an update of what's been going on at the International Waldenström's Macroglobulinemia workshop. This is the 12th of the workshops, and a lot of really exciting results that are coming out and really engaging and interesting discussions. Key things that are coming out, well, I think firstly are in the biology department, and then the second is all about clinical trials and clinical results. So biology, I think a lot of work being done with genomic and transcriptomic and epigenetic analysis of Waldenströms. And what that really all is showing is that Waldenströms really seems to have a number of features. There's a subtype of Waldenströms that really seems to have a memory B cell phenotype, and a second group of patients that have more of a plasmacytoid or a plasmacytic transcriptome within the cells. So cells that are a little bit more memory-like and cells that are a little bit more plasma cell-like. The reason that's interesting is that those that are more memory cell-like, there really seems to be an inflammatory biology that's driving that. And as cells become more autonomous, they might actually then have more of this plasmacytoid appearance. Why might that be important? I think there's a huge opportunity to disrupt many of those processes and therefore actually benefit patients. And along with that, a greater appreciation of what the tumor microenvironment or the bone marrow microenvironment is doing. So not just the cells, but some really interesting data around the stromal elements, all of which are supporting and actually encouraging the tumor cells and are probably driving this whole epigenetic and transcriptomic change. So those are all of the biology interesting results so far. In the clinical arena, we have maturing data, which is really interesting. A lot of discussion so far around data with chemotherapies, particularly bendamustine and rituximab treatments, and then a lot of discussions around treatment with BTK inhibitors. But probably the most interesting is now utilizing those in combination. So there have been some results, particularly the Canadian group, sharing around using bendamustine plus rituximab and adding a BTK inhibitor. And the reason that's exceedingly exciting is seeing patients that are achieving a complete response and minimal residual disease analysis showing really no evidence of detectable disease. So the interesting thing in Waldenström's is those patients, could they have very durable results and maybe even some of them be cured? So what I hope you're hearing is that in the area of Waldenström's, a lot of very interesting results, both from biology all the way through to treatment, and hopefully pushing us closer and closer to curing this disease.